Hey guys, there's a new event on Pokemon Black and White. You can receive a Zoroark. It's level 50, and I don't remember what item it's holding, but I'm pretty sure it's in a Cherish Ball. Anyway. So, there it is. And I'll show you how to receive it. Usually it should take a long time, like it does to me. Okay. Alright, so I'm gonna go. I don't need it. Arg. Final enabled seeker. Hopefully I'm by a Pokemon Center. Apparently not, so. Spring. Don't know why it does that, but basically just go to the Pokemon Center, talk to the man in blue, so.